place is super cool, so colorful. Got here a little bit early because we're busy all day today, so I'll probably stay for a while and see how busy it gets. Got some drinks and some food and chill. Sit back and maybe dance, I don't know, or maybe not, or maybe so. What's up guys, we're at the island slash the palace, drinking a super salty frozen margarita that's technically been thawed because it's not entirely frozen, but we'll take it. But tastes good. You can't swim in the pool, I asked. I wonder if we get kicked out if we jump in. That'd be a quick way to get out of here for sure. I don't know, that's one way to do it, I guess. It's pretty hot because we're outside. There's no AC, so I might have to jump into the pool aggressively, wearing only my back in Uptown BGC, gonna test out the island tonight. Let's do it. Uptown, baby. Alright boys, we're going extra masculine tonight. Check this out. Yes. Those are both for me. Mia's just gonna watch me drink both of those. Nah, just kidding. I like margaritas though. I just didn't know they looked this girly, but that's not gonna stop me. Not once, not twice. We also ordered calamari as well, and hopefully that's as good as the margaritas. I think it will be. What's up guys? Sometimes when I'm in this environment, I actually forget that I'm vlogging, or supposed to be, and that's a good thing. I'm getting lost in the moment. God, I love it. This is a nice little spot. We got here pretty early though, so I think when time goes by, this place might fill up. And if this place does fill up, that would be great. We get to see what's going on. Oh wow, the lights are changing. That's cool. It got really dark. Whoa. Yeah, it feels like we're at a concert or something. That's cool. I dig it. Bad boy. Boy, without the D. Bad boy. James with the arms. Manuel with the piece. Woo! Yes. Mia with the piece.